Welcome! In this guide, we'll show you how to integrate the Adcash anti-AdBlock solution into your website using HTML. Start by logging in to your Adcash publisher account and opening the Zones section. Find your zone and open the Anti-AdBlock installation guide. Before starting, make sure you have administrator access to your website server and that your server supports both curl and cron tab. First, copy the command to download the Anti-AdBlock installer script. Open your project in your code editor, then open the terminal. Paste the command into the terminal and run it. Once the installer script has been downloaded, return to the Adcash guide and copy the command that makes the script executable. Paste it into the terminal and run it. Next, install the Anti-AdBlock library. Copy the installation command from the guide, then paste it into the terminal. Make sure to include the path to your public website directory, followed by the JavaScript file name you want to use. In this example, the file is installed into the public folder as lib.js with an update frequency of 5 minutes. Once the installation is complete, return to the guide and copy the Anti-AdBlock library script. Paste this script inside the head section of your HTML page as high as possible. Finally, copy the initialization snippet from the guide. Paste it after the library script. Once both snippets are added, save your HTML file. Your anti-AdBlock integration is now complete. Your website is ready to serve ads even when visitors are using an ad blocker.